All right, I'm gonna just do a really quick run through for stats. I know the AP test is really soon, and I'm getting worried. Yeah, I should like this is might help a lot for both of us. I don't know. So yeah, let's just go first. Organizing like data. What we always get is tons and tons of data, and we need a way to organize it. And we have things called charts, like for example, bar charts. There's many ways to organize it. This is just one of them. Bar charts are like you could see a direct image of percentage. Like it just gives you a percentage of how much thing of the total. Afterwards, we have a histogram, and this gives us counts. It just shows us how many counts each has and just compares side to side or horizontally. And this one is called a contingency table. It gives you every single count for each box. For example, males with AIDS, males without AIDS, the total people with AIDS, and the total for both male, female, with and without AIDS. And then this is a stem and leaf plot. It's at first I thought it was really tricky because it's I thought it was confusing. So this is what you have to do. So you get the stem, the one, two, three, four, and that's pretty much your tens place, your tens place. And for example, what they did was how to place 32, correct? So you see the 3, you see the 2, and that's 32. You see a 4, you see a 1, 41. Tens, ones place. So if there's this long line, you just take 2, 1, 21, 2, 3, 23. At first that was really, really confusing for me. But yeah, it just helps out. This is the last one. This is really, really important. It's called box and whiskers um, box and whisker a box plot, pretty much. This doesn't really. I mean, this one does show the mean, but usually they won't show it. This shows the quartiles and the median. Sorry, it shows the quartiles and the median. So it gives the range, the maximum, the minimum, the maximum. That's the total range. Gives you the 50 percentile, which is the median, the 70th percentile, and the 25th percentile. 20th percentile. Yeah. And yeah, this is really important because one question they asked how to just one FRQ question they asked to draw a box and whisker plot, and like some of our classmates just didn't know what to do, and because they forgot it had to do with median and quartiles. All right. I think that should be it. Yeah, never mind. So there's distributions. There is like the normal distribution where the median, the mode, and the mean are all in the middle, and it looks exactly like a bell curve, a perfect bell curve. Well, it's not perfect, but it gets close. And then we have skewedness. I really like this. I like this picture because it shows the skewedness where the mean is always towards the skew. It's closer to the skew than the median. And same for here. The mean is closer to the skew. The mean to extreme. That's how I remember it. Yeah, I hope that helps. And oh, for the normal distribution, this is what I learned pretty much first. It was the 68, 95, 99.7 rule, where if you were to measure between the first standard deviations, between -1 standard deviation and the other standard deviation, you should get 68% of the total population. So what this means what this means is whatever you get in between these standard deviations should be 68% in a normal distribution. And it goes on and on, 95% and 99.7% for the 3 standard deviations away. And the farther away you get, like the smaller the chance you would be fine. Like for example, if you were told to be, if you were the SAT, if you just took your SATs and they told you you scored in the top, you are the top 5%. That's really, really good because you are 2 standard deviations away from the actual median, the actual mean of the whole population. You are very special. That's good because that's really far away. That means you're really smart. Yeah, you are top 5%. You want to be called that. That's cool. And then also, there are many, many types of tests, but I'm gonna go over two. And the first one I learned about was the z-test. And the only thing about the z-test is you're only testing for things that have a normal distribution, like we saw here and here. But yeah, I mean that's what I guess. And then this t-test. Okay, so in any wording, any word problem that says find the something 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 something, then it says mean. Circle that, bold that, do everything to make it shine, and then you're going to say you're going to do a t-test. That's just total given. That's just like bread and butter of the Knights of Labor or something. Yeah, I just took a push, but yeah. So t-test is mean. So pretend there's a person named T in your class, and that person's always mean. I think I'm good in time. Yeah, I hope that was good. Well, all right. Thanks for listening. It's cool. And good luck with AP texting. I think I will do a bit more video before what'd you call it? Before tomorrow. So I hope it helps. All right. Good luck.